So little did I actually know that Intel makes these things called Intel Compute Sticks, and they're basically like really small computers. And recently I've been getting into the Raspberry Pi stuff and looking at that, and making some ideas for some projects maybe in the future and such. But I was looking through it and looking at some of the stuff that these compute sticks have, and I thought, what would happen if you took a Raspberry Pi and added some compute sticks to it. Now, basically, if you're really unfamiliar here, I'll go through and explain, is that compute sticks is basically something Intel does to provide processing power to a TV and basically make it kind of a computer. The thing about them is they have a lot of processing power, so they're basically like a full computer in the size, in the spot you'd expect for a, I don't know, half a Raspberry Pi. And they're really thin, which is why I think it would be a really good idea if you were to take a Raspberry Pi and then rig it up with the newest Intel Compute Stick, and you could get something really powerful. I wouldn't say go on the verge of gaming, but you could get it so it's pretty much equivalent to some laptops. I could say no problem. You could definitely get something that's quite equivalent to some current laptops out there. And also speaking of this, I also have a couple ideas for projects I want to do coming up as well. So I'm thinking in the future I want to start getting some recording like options and stuff, maybe get some lighting switches and stuff. I have a lot of ideas that I want to do. Maybe make the den a little bit nicer and stuff. So we'll see what we do from there. But I just wanted to make this video because I didn't know, I was asking people how many people actually knew about like what a compute stick was and stuff. And it was really surprising to find out that a lot of people actually didn't. They had no idea what it was. And, I was originally planning on using it, hooking up to a Raspberry Pi to get a lot of processing power, which is a very good, use of it. But of course, you can get some that are like $100, and then you can get some that are like, $300. And I mean, the thing is, it's just because of their size. And I think if you were to get a good entry-level Raspberry Pi and then rig it up, I think you could end up pretty well. So, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys heard of the compute sticks before and stuff? Because I'm sitting here looking at my Raspberry Pi right now, and I just think it's obviously about half the size of a Raspberry Pi, which is obviously pretty interesting. It includes a full computer in there, but of course it's quite a bit more expensive. So anyway, I'm gonna go head out, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you have any idea on what you guys want to see, like made out of Raspberry Pis or done in computer stuff, let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys, see what you guys want to see, and of course, let's get into it.